This is a good size diamond stone. If you notice, it's weathered, so you won't really see much, especially when it's dirty. You just literally walk on it. You see? Depends on where it is. In some area, the skin won't be covered in calcite and burn, so you'll be able to see it more closer to that color. You know. But the reason why I see this is because it's been moved due to digging and stuff. And then the rain come and wash away the mud and leave it exposed. So we can I do check for hardness, so I use the file and the masonry drill bit. But you can see clearly what this is. You just have to push through everything and just get to where you get going, you know. You do have things along the way, but as long as you just look at where you're going and remember to pray. First thing you do before you start your day. And stay calm, cease from anger, forsake wrath. God bless and have a lovely day.